According to latest media reports, the Indian Air Force is now finalizing two long-pending projects worth about $22 billion, which includes the project to build 56 medium transport aircraft by Tata and Airbus, and 114 fighter jets under Make in India initiative. Officials have said that the air staff qualitative requirements for the 114 fighter jets have been finalized after discussions with all the foreign manufacturers, and the Air Force will soon move the Defence Acquisition Council for the acceptance of necessity, and the request for proposal will be issued by the end of 2019. While on the other hand, the Tata-Airbus joint venture for 56 C-295 tactical aircraft is at the final stage, as the extensive trials and contract negotiations are now over, and it will be sent to the Cabinet Committee on Security for the final approval very soon. According to latest reports, India has successfully tested a vertical deep dive version of the BrahMos supersonic system. The CEO of BrahMos Aerospace has said that the upgraded version with an enhanced range of 500 kilometers is also ready, which was made possible after joining the missile technology control regime. While the air-launched version can take on targets up to over 1,000 kilometers, which was recently tested from a Su-30 fighter jet. India has carried out 3 successful tests of the third-generation Indigenous Nag anti-tank system, and the systems were tested during both day and night conditions at ranges of around 7 kilometers. The Indian Army and DRDO are supposed to conduct more tests today, which will help to validate the capabilities of the Indigenous system. The Nag system is slated to enter production at the end of this year, and the Army is expected to purchase around 8,000 systems, with an initial order of 500 systems. The Indian Army is procuring the Excalibur artillery ammunition from the US, which will be deployed along the line of control, and its acquisition case is being processed under the emergency procurement procedures. The Indian Army Chief have already briefed the Defence Minister on the guided Excalibur ammunition, which uses the GPS system and has a range of more than 50 kilometers. According to latest reports, the Indian Air Force is now actively backing the development of a supersonic Omni role trainer aircraft prototype, and might buy around 40 aircraft. The sport trainer will have open-source mission computer, which will be able to mimic a variety of fighter jets including Rafale Su-30 and medium-weight fighter. INS Vikramaditya will undergo scheduled maintenance and upgrade of some of its systems in 2020, and Russia's Rosoboronexport has said that it will take an active part in the upcoming scheduled maintenance of the Indian aircraft carrier. The focus on maintenance is a new thrust area for Russian exporters, as India had to approach third parties as there was no organized post-sales support. The Indian Air Force Chief has embarked on a bilateral visit to Russia, during which he is scheduled to visit various operational and training units, as well as fly a sortie in the Yak-130 trainer. The visit would also provide impetus towards defense cooperation. Russia's MiG Aircraft Corporation is a contender in the 114 fighter jet program, and the company has offered its MiG-35 fighter jet with transfer of technology.
Omar dropped it.